Why do some people improve their English so fast, while others stay stuck for years? It's not talent. It's not intelligence. And it's definitely not about studying harder. The real difference is consistency. In this video, you'll discover why consistency is the most powerful tool in learning English and how to use it the right way. The biggest mistake. Let's be honest. Most learners do this. Study 2-3 hours one day. Then skip 3-4 days. Then start again. Then stop again. This cycle kills your progress. Why? Because language learning is not about intensity. It's about repetition over time. Why consistency works? Your brain learns language through exposure and repetition, not through pressure. When you practice every day, even for a short time, your brain builds patterns. Words become familiar. Sentences feel natural. But when you stop, your brain resets. Consistency keeps the learning engine running. Small daily habits equals big results. You don't need 5 hours a day. You need 20-30 minutes every day. Here's what that could look like. 10 minutes listening. 10 minutes speaking. 10 minutes reading or writing. Simple, manageable, repeatable. The secret is not doing more. It's doing it again tomorrow. Build a system, not motivation. Motivation is unreliable. Some days you feel excited. Some days you don't. That's normal. So instead of relying on motivation, build a system. Study at the same time every day. Use the same simple routine. Remove decision making. When it becomes a habit, you don't think, you just do it. What consistency is not. Let's clear this up. Consistency does not mean being perfect. Never missing a day. Studying for hours. Missing one day is fine. Quitting is not. Consistency means always coming back. Realistic expectations. Here's the truth. You won't feel progress every day. Sometimes it feels slow. Sometimes it feels like nothing is happening. But over time, it compounds. And one day, you realize. You understand more. You speak faster. You feel more confident. That's the power of consistency. So remember, you don't need to be perfect. You don't need to be fast. You just need to keep going. Because it's not what you do once, it's what you do every day that changes everything. If this video helped you, like it, share it, and subscribe for more simple English lessons. Keep listening, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video.